Oh, that's hard. That is hard. I'm barely moving. I'm beached. First piece of trash, an old helium balloon. And now it's time for the funnier, funnier downriver, downstream part. One slight problem I noticed is that I'm so fast that even when I see trash, it's usually so hard to stop and get back that I cannot really get much. That is a bummer, but still a lot of fun here. And here are currents again. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Ooh. And trash, any trash there? No, no, no. So it's looking really good. I mean, to be fair, I cleaned this part of the river before. So yeah, if I did a good job, there shouldn't be much here. But it's been a year since I last cleaned this bit. Oh, there we go, there we go. There's some trash. Oh no. Can I stop in time? I can barely stop in time. Oh, this is a bad spot to stop. This is a really bad spot to stop. Can I park it here? I can park it here. Good. Safety strap. You put, right? Okay. Current is really strong right there. Really strong. No wonder I can't stop. All right. A boat. A children's boat. Some poor child was probably playing with that and yeah, lost it, unfortunately. Well, too bad. Now it's mine. I got a little companion because that surely does not fit in my bag. And you know, usually the water here is completely gone in the summer. I don't know if you remember that spot, probably don't. I do. I cleaned up here last year in the summertime, and usually this river is completely dried out. But we had so much rain in the spring and in the summertime in the last couple of weeks that yeah, we have water in the river now, which is good for the river, good for the nature here, but yeah, pretty bad for picking up trash. As you can see, I only got 2 items so far, which is pretty bad, but the adventure is great. It's a great adventure. And while I'm trying to figure out how to cross over that tree, I just noticed another fragment of plastic here. And on this driftwood, there's even more right here. I did it. I crossed that tree. Oh no. Oh, there's another fallen tree. Ah, and it's really, really deep right here. Oh, that is nasty. No, no, no. And that's where all the trash is. There's a glass bottle, another one, styrofoam. Lots of tiny styrofoam pieces here. A plastic one. Yeah. there we go. Ah. Another glass bottle. Another one. Well, this is a lot more annoying than I expected it to be. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Ah! I got slapped by the tree. Oh gosh, can I even? Wow! Wow, that's hard. Oh gosh! This is so difficult to maneuver. Maybe I can squeeze through there. And here's already our first find for today, a classic plastic bottle. This is where I found my first phone in a river. Oh, please don't let this be another dam. It looks like another dam. I don't want to carry this thing again, it's so heavy. Okay, I almost made it. It's about 200 meters left of river where I go out. So yeah, although it wasn't a lot of trash, just a tiny boat right there and this back over here, it still was a pretty great adventure to paddle the river that I clean and yeah, I'll see you again in a couple of weeks with a regular cleanup. There we go, I made it.